In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend shapes in Figma. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to round corners so your buttons, cards, and containers feel polished and modern. First, let's create a basic shape to work with. On your keyboard, press the R key to activate the rectangle tool. Move your cursor onto the canvas, then click, drag, and release to draw a rectangle. Don't worry about getting the size perfect on the first try. You can always adjust it later. If you want a perfect square as you drag, hold the Shift key to keep the proportions locked. And if you need the shape to grow from the center instead of a corner, hold the Option or Alt key while you drag. After you release the mouse, switch back to the Move tool by pressing V, or simply click the shape to make sure it's selected. If you're working on a dense canvas, zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the edges. Now for the bend. With the rectangle selected, hover near any corner and look for a small circular handle that appears just inside the corner. This is the corner radius control. Click and drag that small circle inward to round the corners and create the bend. As you drag, you'll see the corners smooth out in real time. Stop when it looks right for your design. Dragging farther in will create a more pronounced curve, which is perfect for pill-shaped buttons and badges. If you overdo it, don't worry. Drag back outward to reduce the radius, or press Command or Control plus Z to undo. By default, all four corners adjust together, giving you a clean, consistent look with a single motion. Keep an eye on the shape's overall silhouette as you bend. A subtle radius often feels more refined for cards and containers, while a larger radius can make interactive elements feel more approachable. If you don't see the small circle, make sure the rectangle is actually selected and that you're not in vector edit mode. Hover slowly until the handle appears. It can be easy to miss at first. That's all there is to it. Press R and draw your shape, then hover, and drag the small corner handle to bend it. Use this simple technique to quickly refine UI elements, create friendly pill buttons, or give layouts a softer, more inviting feel. Practice on a few rectangles to build muscle memory, and you'll be rounding corners with confidence in no time.